So this is the review of the Rolson knife with bits. I've received this very big knife and very heavy. Bits are stored inside. This black cover, it feels like plastic. It sounds like plastic, but it's not plastic, it's aluminum. It's really heavy. It's really heavy and big. It's heavy duty. If you hold this knife, you just don't feel anymore like a handyman. You just hear that strange voice in your head, which is telling you that you could even kill someone and it's gonna be alright because this knife